Hello. I'm just making this. I've been cleaning my house for, well, last couple of days, or maybe about 3, 4 days, whatever. But off and on the last 2 days, I've been really hammering it. I'm trying to find my tax return stuff so I could get my taxes done. And I keep finding all these wonderful things. So I said, you know what? I should create a video, be a content creator. So I'm going to do a top 5 of finds that I made today. Honorable mention. My tax. One of the. I have 2 things. This is my mortgage tax. That idiot Michael Kay and David Cohn are talking about Ricky Henderson. They're wondering if he's one of the greatest players that ever played. Like, are you kidding me? Well, maybe he's the best. Maybe he's the greatest leadoff hitter ever. Oh, what a joke. Who's even close to him? These guys don't know what the heck they're talking about half the time. All right, now if you could see all the way back there, I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, I found a couple things there, a couple things in the back bedroom, and I just found something right here outside the kitchen on a counter. So anyways, all right, here we go. All right, honorable mention my taxes, because that's what I've been looking for. Looking for my taxes, two tax return numbers, and my checks. So I found 1 out of the 3. All right, top 5. Which one was? Oh, this one was 5. Okay, number 5. Number 5. A full box of 1989 Upper Deck Griffey's rookie. A full box. Just found it. I think I bought this for like $75 like 20 years ago. Okay, number 4. My guess, I don't know. I'll say this is 4, because there's only one of them. Optic basketball from, I think it's 2016-17. Yep. NBA trading cards, 2016, 2017. What do you think of that? I find a box of Optic in the back bedroom. All right, so that's number 4. Number 3, I found like 15 of these. I got these. David Adams was clearing them out 3, 4, 5 years ago. I forget when. These are those red, white, and blue packs. This is football. I got a whole bunch of them here. I opened one and got a Ezekiel Elliott. Let's see here. This is 2016 Prism. Those 5-pack or 3-pack things with 5 cards each, and then you get the 3 the red, white, and blue disco prism packs. These are the disco prisms. So I just found like 15 of these. I have a shitload of them. There's even more than that somewhere. I bought a ton of these. I remember opening them up just to see what I could get, just to see, because prism cards are so sweet. All right, so that's number 3. Oh, number 2. I found a bunch of hangers. I found a bunch of hangers. Some of those mega boxes of Bowman Chrome, Topps Chrome, Optic, and hanger boxes of 2020. And I think I found a 2018 Topps Chrome baseball mega box. So that's find number 2. War. War. Let's just make up statistics. Oh, let's create a statistic. War. It's the stupidest thing I've ever heard. War. Wins above replacement. When Guidry had the 1978 season, went 25-3 with a 1.74 ERA, with 9 shutouts, 248 strikeouts. One of the greatest, if not the greatest, season in the history of baseball. I don't count Bob Gibson's 1.12 year because they elevated the mound like, I don't even know, 6 inches, 9 inches. Of course, the whole league was like, how many players were ERAs under 2? It was ridiculous. It was like back in the dead ball era of the 19 teens when they had a mush ball. Okay, enough of that. These guys with this stupid war. There is no such thing as war. It's some crap that some idiot made up from that's trying to justify his picks. These AP sports writers. They just make I watched this Bob Kinney guy or whatever that Kinney guy's name is on. Oh, statistics. I love statistics. I'm a statistical. I took statistics and finance and microeconomics. I love numbers. That's my thing since I was a little kid. And these guys just make stuff up. Hey, let's just make up new statistics so we could justify putting guys like Jim Rice in the Hall of Fame. Jim Rice. What do you have, 2 good years, 3 good years? Give me a break, Jim Rice. Oh, my God. And that MVP won in 78. I don't think so. There's a guy named Ryan Guidry who didn't lose. He stopped losing streaks for the Yankees every single time out. If it wasn't for him, the true essence of MVP is most valuable. No Guidry, no championship in 78. All right, here's my number 1 find. You guys could argue this. Some people might not like this, but I found a whole bunch of top loaders and a whole bunch of cards. And Donald Trump. I was selling Donald Trump, what are they, $1 million? Yeah, $1 million dollar bills. All right, but here it is. Here's the number 1 find out of all these vintage cards. Drum roll, please. Pete Rose, 2nd year card. And it's like mint condition. It's mint. If this isn't mint, it's like if I was going to grade this, I'd grade this thing. I'd take a little bit off because it's a little faded in the back. Somebody might have had it in the sun. I don't know. It's perfect on the front. There's no fading at all there. Maybe that's just the way it came off the press, but I've seen bright orange ones. Honestly, I'd probably take like a 0.5 point off for left-right centering. It's probably about 80-20, maybe even 85-15, but who cares? This card is immaculate. Bad fading on the back, and a little bit of left-right off-center, but this card, it could get a 9, 8.5 at the least, I would say, but this should be a 9. If it wasn't for the, I don't even know. Some people don't even take off for the fade. Maybe you get a 9.5 because of the centering, and it's not off so bad that it would be an 8. But could you imagine Pete Rose's 2nd year card? Really? I remember when I bought it. You could see the price tag on it, $100. Well, guess what? I reached in my pocket as fast as I could. I was like, really? You're going to give me a PSA 8 or PSA 9 Pete Rose? Wow. Couldn't believe it. For $100. So, there's my top 5. Number 5 is a Griffey Jr. 89 upper deck, full box, 36 packs. Number 4, I think I put Optic because there's only 1 box of it. And then 3 was the Prism Football, those red, white, and blue things, a bunch of those packs. 2 was the plethora of Chrome, Bowman Chrome, Topps Chrome, Prism, all those boxes that I found in there. And then number 1 was the Pete Rose. Okay, got this done in less than 10 minutes. That's great. Okay, thank you.